Hello children, in this class we will discuss Social Studies Class 4 Chapter 6 Industries of India. In our previous class we have discussed types of industries in India. There are three major types of industries in our country India. Those are, that is, cottage industries. In cottage industries, what are the things made? The things which are produced in cottage industries are hand embroidered sarees, bamboo crafts, pottery, food products, and candles. These are some of the examples, some of the things which are made, which are produced in cottage industries. The next is small scale industries. The second one is small scale industries. What are the things made in small scale industry? The things produced in small scale industries are hosiery, means example socks, ready-made garments. All are ready-made garments which we wear. Plastic goods are also made. The things which are made of plastic, fans, toys, utensils. These are the things which are produced in small scale industries. And the third one is large scale industries. In large scale industries, what are the things produced? Iron and steel, shipbuilding, automobile, means the industries where vehicles are made, sugar industries, where sugar is produced, and cotton industries, means in these industries, in cotton industry, cotton clothes are made from the raw material cotton. So these are the three major types of industries in our country, India. I hope you understood about types of industries in India. In this class, now we will continue studying the same lesson, that is industrial pollution. Please take out page 250, industrial pollution. Industrial development harms our environment in different ways. Means because of the industries, how it harms our environment, how it pollutes the environment, how it makes our environment dirty. So industrial pollution. In industrial development, the environment is harmed in different ways. Water pollution. Water is polluted due to industrial development, due to industrial pollution. How water is polluted? How water becomes dirty? Due to the chemical waste dumped into rivers from factories. People fall sick, aquatic life gets affected, and most of the creatures die or fall sick. So, how it make the water pollute? When the chemical waste used in the industries are thrown away into the rivers, are dumped into the rivers from the factories, the useless chemical waste. What happens? When people use it flows, the chemical waste are thrown into the rivers and it flows along with the rivers. And people fall sick. Why? Because when the people use this river water, what happens? People fall sick and aquatic life gets affected, like fish, the animals which lives in water. And also most of the creatures die. Most of the animals die because of the chemical waste thrown into the rivers by the industries. And also some of the creatures fall sick. Due to industrial pollution, it also pollutes air. Air pollution occurs due to industrial pollution. How? Causes due to smoke released from the chimneys of factories. There are many factories which use fire to manufacture goods, to produce things. So when they burn fire, what happens? The smoke comes out from the factories through chimneys, and because of the smoke released from the factories, air pollutes. So the smoke released from the chimneys of factories pollutes the air, causes air pollution. Third one, industrial pollution. Industrial development also causes land or soil pollution. Land or soil pollution occurs due to waste from factories that is dumped on open lands, increases soil pollution. Whatever the waste materials, the useless things in the factories, they are dumped on open lands. They are thrown on the open lands, on the ground. And this increases when they throw all the waste things, waste materials on the ground. Because of that waste material, what happened? Soil pollutes. It causes soil pollution. So dear children, I hope you understood about industrial pollution. All the reasons how water pollutes, how air pollution occurs, and how land or soil pollution occurs due to the industrial development. So dear children, in this class whatever we have learned are types of industries in India. Three major types: cottage industries, small scale industries, and large scale industries. And also we have learned industrial pollution, that is because of the industrial development harms our environment in different ways. Although we get different products, different manufactured goods from the industries, but industrial development also harms our environment in different ways. It pollutes the water, it pollutes air, and it also pollutes land or soil. How water pollution occurs due to industrial development? All the chemical waste are dumped into the rivers, and when the people use that water, people fall sick and aquatic life gets affected, and most of the creatures, most of the animals which lives in the river, in the water, they die or fall sick. And due to air pollution, what happens? Air pollution, due to how air pollution occurs due to industrial development. Air pollution causes due to the smoke. When the fire is burned in the industries, smoke is released from the chimneys, and because of that smoke, air pollutes. And land or soil pollution, how land or soil pollution occurs? Due to the waste, all the waste materials, whatever useless things in the factories, they are thrown away, they are dumped on open lands. They are not dumped properly. When they are dumped on open lands, that increases soil pollution. That dumping of waste materials from the factories spoil the quality of the soil. So I hope you understood about this lesson. In our next class, we will discuss workout lesson 6, Industries of India, exercise A, B, C, and D. Thank you. Have a nice day.